at this point, I gotta ask myself, like, what is the point of dating an American woman, right? Like, when I go out now, it's getting real pointless. It's getting real pointless because, ladies, I need y'all to think about this for a second, right? If we don't make no money, right, y'all ditch us. If we do make money, right, y'all plan to ditch us. So we make the money, we get you pregnant. Then you start calculating in your head, all right, I'm going to get this amount of child support and alimony and so on and so forth, and then you still leave us. So at this point, I'm starting to wonder, like, the rules and the laws that are so against men today, why would a man purposefully look to get an American woman pregnant, knowing damn well that over 50% of the time, she's probably going to leave, and she's going to take your kids, and she's going to take your house, and she's going to take your money, right? Listen, fellas, if you haven't gotten your passport, I'm sorry to say, listen, fine. Y'all women say that, we can leave and all that. That's cool. You don't need no man. Fine. No problem. We going for those for those broke women in overseas. Fine. But you know what? At least they're soft. At least they respect us a little bit more than you.